We want to look at how we can find the equation of a line parallel to the straight line from these questions. One thing we need to know is that when two equations of a line are parallel, they have the same gradient. From the question, we have been given the first equation of a line and we have a point given here. So we are going to get our gradient from the equation of a line here. Let's see how we can do that. So first of all, we make y the subject. So we have 2y equal to 4x plus 5. We divide here by 2, here by 2, here by 2. Alright? So y will be equal to 2x plus 5 all divided by 2. Now from the general equation of a line, y equal to mx plus c, where m is our gradient and the coefficient of x here will be 2. So our gradient will be 2. Now with the general equation of a line, y minus y1 equal to m multiplying x minus x1. We are going to use this to form the equation of a line. Now, our first coordinate here, we name it x1. The second one, we name it y1. We are going to substitute this into this formula. So we have y minus y1, which will be 3. Our gradient is 2. Our x, we maintain it. x1 is going to be 5, all right? So we simplify this as y minus 3. We have 2x minus 10. We move all this to the right hand side. Then we equate everything to 0. So we have minus y plus 3 all equal to 0. Alright. So we can write 2x minus y, alright, minus 7 equal to 0. And we can say this is the equation of a line. Use this approach to solve question number 2 up to number 3 and leave your answer in the comment section. We want to look at how we can find the equation of a line which is perpendicular to this line given. First of all, we need to get our gradient from this equation of a line. And how can we get the gradient? We make y the subject. So our y is going to be 2x plus 1. So the gradient of this line is going to be positive 2. But since we are looking for the gradient of the other equation of a line, which is perpendicular to this, our gradient, which is m, is going to be minus 1 divided by the gradient of this line. Don't forget, our minus 1 is constant, alright? Alright, with we getting the gradient, we use our general formula, y minus y1 equal to m multiplying x minus x1. Now, our point given here, our 2 is going to be x1, and the 5 is going to be y1. So we are going to substitute it into this formula. So we have y minus, our y1 is 5, equal to the gradient which is minus 1 over 2, multiplying x minus x1 which is 2, alright? Now we find LCM which is 2, and the 2 will multiply everything here. So 2 by y will give us 2y, 2 by negative 5 will give us negative 10. Our minus 1 here will multiply everything in the bracket and we'll get minus x plus 2. Now we group everything at one side and equate everything to 0. So we send our negative x here, which will be plus x. Our positive 2, which will be negative 2, equal to 0. So we have x plus 2y minus 10 minus 2 will give us minus 12, all equal to 0. So this is the equation of a line. Use the same concept to solve question number 2 up to number 3 and leave your answer in the comment section. Thank you.